everyone. This is the Students International Exchange Program, which is the essence of kindness. Would like to speak to and would like to share my experience. We had been to Bangkok for 1 week and 12 students from International School of Hospitality Management got selected to attend this and experience the student exchange program from Kolkata. The students went to Bangkok. We had a tie-up, ISHM had a tie-up with Silpakorn University, Thailand, Bangkok. And the students from different countries, from Uzbekistan, from Nepal, from China, from Sri Lanka, from France, Philippines. So the students had a beautiful interaction, not only with the global students who had come over. They had lots of activities which was organized by the Silpakorn University, Thailand. And they had a lovely experience. They would like to share their experience also. But yes, it was the opportunity and the platform given by ISHM, and not only the faculties, the students had loved the experience. Thank you so much.
Swadika. Hello everyone. So myself, Mr. Ibrahim Baradawala from DHM plus BTS 2022 Kolkata. So here I am once again. So here I am going to tell you about the Bangkok culture, the Thai culture which we have experienced over there. So first of all, Bangkok was an amazing experience. Thank you ISHM for giving us this opportunity to go over there and experience such a diverse culture.
Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Singh. I am from BHM BDS 2022. And first of all, a big thanks to ISHM for giving me the opportunity to visit the Bangkok. Bangkok was a great experience. We got to meet a lot of new people, make a lot of new memories. Overall, it was a great experience, and first thanks again to ISHM for giving me such a great opportunity. Thank you.
The ISHM Student Exchange Program is a uniquely tailored program जो मैनेजमेंट और हॉस्पिटैलिटी के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए स्पेशली डिजाइन किया हुआ है. दिस ईयर जब हमारे स्टूडेंट्स व्हेन दे वेंट टू बैंकॉक फॉर द स्टूडेंट एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम विच वाज अ कोलैबोरेशन बिटवीन सिल्पाकॉन यूनिवर्सिटी एंड विटेल बैंकॉक, तो उस एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम में स्टूडेंट्स नॉट ओनली गॉट अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ you can say international exposure, but also they were a huge amount of cultural, traditional and theoretical knowledge was also imbibed in them. और एक बात हुआ और एक very important milestone which ISHM was able to do this time was, जैसे कि आप जानते हो कि हमारे कुछ students already they are working in Bangkok, like in two of the major properties which is Centara Grand and Novotel. This year, when the students went to Bangkok, the ISHM also expanded its boundaries by visiting all the top players of the hospitality industry: Hyatt, Intercontinental, Amari Group, Novotel. In all these hotels, ISHM has gone. Bangkok के major players में, major hospitality players में ISHM ने भी अपना झंडा गाड़ के आया है. So this was the added advantage of the student exchange program this year.